everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, we're going to do something cool. We are going to create and post custom GIFs that you can use across the social media platforms, but mainly for Instagram. You can do GIFs like this instantly. Now this is going to be part one of a two-part series. Now for this first part, we're going to go over how to make and post custom GIFs. And for the second part, we're going to take the next step. We're going to show you how to upload your GIFs to Instagram so they can be searchable. So when someone goes on and types in Coca-Cola, all those custom GIFs by Coca-Cola are created and uploaded by them. So we're going to do something similar with you and your brand. Now GIFs are used everywhere in our daily lives. GIFs, stickers, all of it, whether it's on socials, with text messaging, they are everywhere. It is a completely underutilized tool that a lot of businesses do not focus their time and energy on, which they should. Now the perfect example that I was researching a little bit earlier was Coca-Cola. If you check out their Giphy page, they have 74 uploads with the total views of 42 million. That is an insane amount. That's almost 500,000 per GIF. That is crazy. That is a lot of attention that the brand is bringing to them. A lot of brands and artists undervalue creating GIFs, but you're not going to make that same mistake, and I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly. Now the first step is going to make the GIF or sticker yourself. Now you could do this one of two ways. You can design certain GIFs either through sites like Canva, or you can honestly do it on Instagram directly and save it to your camera roll. Now with whatever you're making, you need to remove the background. Now you can film a video of yourself or while you're designing the stickers on Canva or Instagram, and there's a very simple and free tool to remove the background. So as you can see, this is a raw clip of me dancing, doing weird stuff, I don't know. Now I did film it in front of a white screen just so it helps out the AI. Sorry, it wasn't a white screen, it was just a white wall. So it can help out the AI of clearing out my background. Now you can film this anywhere with whatever background. Just the more seamless, the easier it is for the program to remove your background. So just keep that in mind. But if you're in a tight spot, you can do it wherever. Now the next step is to go to this website. Now Remove BG is fantastic for removing backgrounds for images. Now, and then they just created a new version. Actually, I don't know if they own each other, but they are promoting it. It's called Unscreen. Now, as long as you go to Unscreen and upload your video, you could either do it on your phone or you can do it on your computer. You upload the video and it automatically removes the background. You can save it for free and bam, you have your transparent GIF. Now it's the same process with stickers. You're just gonna have to remove that background. So just keep in mind, try to keep whatever it is that you're making, try to keep that background seamless. It just makes everything a lot easier to remove. You could also do it in Premiere Pro or After Effects, or pretty much any video editing software, but you do need a little bit of knowledge for that. So this way it's a little more streamlined. And then after that, with whatever story that you have a little catalog in your phone of custom GIFs that you can add to your stories. Believe me when I say this, that I've done this for clients and it goes a long way. People get very excited when you have your own custom GIFs. There's a certain level of prestige and just allure around having your custom GIFs. I'm not kidding when I say this. Think about it. If you see someone with a custom GIF, you're just like, oh, that's cool. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna open up the Instagram app. And then when you start doing a story, what you're gonna do is just paste in your custom GIF. So you're just gonna go to your camera roll, click whatever photo that you want. Let's say this one. And then you're going to click the share button, and then right below all the apps is copy photo. So all you got to do is just click copy photo, and then when you go over to Instagram or whatever, or TikTok or anything, what you're going to do is you're going to click and click paste, and then automatically that GIF gets inserted on top of whatever story that you're doing. Now it is that simple and that awesome to create your own custom GIFs, whether it's of yourself or just creating cool designs for your business or your brand. Now GIFs of people tend to do a little bit better than designs, but feel free to get as creative or as simple as you want. And that is it. That is essentially it. That's all you have to do to create your own custom GIFs and post them. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. Like I said, this is going to be part 1 of a 2-part series. The second part is we're going to show you how to make your GIFs searchable through Instagram, which is a game changer. All right, that is all I got for today. Thank you for watching to the end. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Peace. Oh, also, thank you. We just reached 800 subs. Thank you so much for everyone that is that's going along this journey. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. Let's get to 1,000, and I'll see you in the next one.